How to remove a dental plaque at home naturally. That is what I am going to share with you people in today's video. But what is a dental plaque? A dental plaque are those solid particles that remain in your teeth or at your teeth. So those remaining food particles are the causes of dental plaque. And with dental plaque, it can cause mouth odor. It will make your partner not to have the urge to kiss you. And with dental plaque in your teeth, it will help you to develop germs and bacteria in your teeth. Sometimes there are times that you hit your teeth unwillingly or suddenly you start seeing blood. It is as a result of germs in your teeth, which is caused by dental plaque. So I am going to tell you how you are going to remove it at home. Maybe you don't have the money or the time to go to a dentist. Don't worry, I will give you the best 5 ingredients that will help you to remove those dental plaque. So before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So why do I came up with this video? For the benefit of men. Not only men, women, children, and in fact adults can use these 5 ingredients to get rid of dental plaque. So the 5 ingredients are, first and foremost, you need to find a container where you will add all these ingredients for mixture or for mixing. Now, number 1 ingredients which you need is a teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Yes, just 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Put it in that container. Number 2 is 3 spoonfuls of glycerin. Yes, glycerin is an ingredient found in toothpaste. So if you are buying glycerin, make sure that it is the right one. Number 3 is 4 teaspoonfuls of baking soda. Yes, 4 teaspoonfuls of baking soda, and also add it in the same container that you add the previous ingredients. Number 4 is a drop of lemon essential oil. Just a drop. Adding much of it can be harmful, so a drop is enough. And the last is a full cup of water. So these are the 5 ingredients that you need to remove dental plaque. Now, mix these 5 ingredients together and mix it properly for them to mix very well. After mixing the 5 ingredients, now use it to brush your teeth morning and night. Morning and night for complete 2 weeks. Those dental plaque in your teeth will be automatically terminated and they will be removed as easy as possible. But if you can use this mixture twice daily, make sure that you use it once every day, especially at night, so that it will help you to remove the plaque and tartar as fast as possible. Because the reason why I prefer nights is after your meal, use it to brush your teeth so that there will be no other thing or there will be no other food that you consume. The last thing is for you to use this mixture to wash or brush your teeth and go to sleep. So that is it in today's video, and that is the best natural way to remove dental plaque at home, in case if you don't have time to go to the dentist. So that is what I want to share in today's video, and that is it in today's video. If you get value, consider to support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions on this video, make sure that you put your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. But before I end this video, all these ingredients can be found in the market. So if you have problem with your teeth, or you want to remove dental plaque, you can get all these ingredients in the market. So that is it in today's video. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.